All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're taking a look at a business operating system that's built for one very specific type of person, the UK trade business owner. You know the one, absolutely brilliant at their job, but they've just hit a wall trying to grow. We're going to focus on their top-tier package, the growth system, and see if it's really the key to unlocking that next level. Does that phrase make you wince? The 9 p.m. admin shift? If you're a tradesperson who spends a full day on the tools, only to come home and start a whole other job on the laptop, well, then this is definitely for you. You know, there's this weird problem that happens when you get really successful in the trades. You're fantastic at what you do, the work is pouring in, and then suddenly being good at the job just isn't enough anymore. You hit this growth ceiling where all the admin, the phone calls, and just the pure chaos of it all starts to totally overwhelm the actual work. And this is what that chaos actually looks like day to day, isn't it? Your phone's ringing, but you're up a ladder. You're spending your evenings chasing down payments when you should be with your family. And you know you should be asking those happy customers for referrals. But honestly, who's got the time? Every single one of these is like a tiny crack forming in the foundation of your business. A missed call isn't just a missed call. The way they put it is it's an invisible leak in your pocket. You don't actually see the cash draining away, but believe me, it is. And get this, a whopping 40% of leads will go to the competitor who just picks up the phone first. In this game, speed is literally everything. So, what does that leak actually cost? This number might make you sit up. Let it sink in for a second. Based on average job values in the UK, missing just one single potential customer a day could be costing your business over £150,000 a year. That's the real price you pay for being too busy to answer the phone. Okay, so you get the problem. And the obvious answer seems to be, I'll just hire an office manager, right? Wrong. The argument here is totally different. The real solution isn't adding another person to the payroll, it's getting a smarter system in place. Now, it's super important to understand what Keystone AI actually is. This is not about getting you more leads, it's about perfectly handling every single lead you already have. They position themselves as an automation partner that straight up replaces the function of an office manager, but with smart software and AI. Okay, now we're getting to the main event. We're honing in on their top package, the growth system. This thing is built specifically for businesses that don't just want to manage their current workload. They want to aggressively expand it, all without the owner having to be chained to a desk. But before we jump into the growth package extras, you've got to understand what it's built on. It's called the 4R framework, and this is the core engine. It handles instant lead response, that's reactivity. It protects your online rep by filtering bad reviews, that's reputation. It automatically asks for referrals, and it helps you keep past customers with special offers, that's retention. This is the bedrock of the whole system. And here's what the growth system stacks on top of that. Think of this as your completely hands-off expansion kit. They do your social media posts for you. They don't just filter your reviews, they actually reply to them for you, building that social proof. And you get a direct line for priority support. The idea is so simple. You go do the work, and the system manages your entire public-facing brand. All right, whenever you see a system that promises this much, you're going to have questions. Of course you are. So this next bit is great. It tackles the 3 most common worries head-on. No fluff, just the straight answers. And here it is. The first hurdle every single time. The price. It's a serious investment, right? So how on earth do they justify it? And the response is all about flipping that question on its head. It's not a bill. It's a tool that's designed to make you money. The argument is simple. If the system just captures one single job a month that you otherwise would have missed, it's already paid for itself. It turns an expense into an investment with a crystal clear return. This is a big one, I get it. That personal touch is so important in the trades. So the fear that an AI is going to sound cold and robotic is a completely valid concern. But the counter-argument is fascinating. It suggests that what customers actually value most isn't a long-winded chat. It's speed and just getting things sorted. The real customer service nightmare isn't a polite AI, it's being dumped into voicemail and having to wait hours for someone to maybe call you back. In today's world, the person who answers first wins the job. End of story. And finally, the technology barrier. Most tradespeople are masters with their tools, not with complicated software. So, is this just another bit of tech that's going to be a pain to use and eventually just get ignored? The reassurance here is that the whole thing is designed for the user. Look, if you can use WhatsApp and email on your phone, you can use this. And the crucial part, they do all the heavy lifting. They do the entire setup. Your job isn't to be a tech genius. Your job is just to press approve on the quotes the system lined up for you. So we've covered the problem, we've seen the solution, and we've answered the big questions. Let's wrap this up by looking at exactly how you get started and what the ultimate promise really is. Getting this up and running isn't some big, long, drawn-out process. It's a clear 2-week plan. Day 1, you sign up. Day 2, you have a quick call to get the AI script sounding just right. Then, for about a week, they build everything for you. And by day 14, you are live. The system is answering your calls and managing your leads. It's all about speed and being completely done for you. And we end on this, because really, this isn't just about growing a business or making more money. It's about getting your life back. It's a direct question about reclaiming your time. The ultimate goal here isn't just automation, it's freedom. So it leaves you with one final thought. What is that 9 p.m. admin shift really costing you?